Today we'll be making pasta Puttanesca. First we're going to drizzle some olive oil into a medium hot pan. Now we're going to add about 5 to 6 anchovies, and you're going to want to cook this down till they completely dissolve into the olive oil. Now you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of capers, followed by 2 tablespoons of green olives. You want to crush them slightly before you put them into the pan, and you can also use Kalamata olives. Let's now add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground garlic. Now add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. If you like what you're seeing today, please make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notification button. Thank you very much. Just add a little salt and freshly cracked pepper. Make sure not to salt too heavily since the ingredients are very salty. Final thing you're going to want to add is some Italian flat leaf parsley after the sauce has been completely cooked down. Cook a half a package of spaghetti, about 300 grams, and just cook it until it's al dente. Make sure the pasta water is heavily salted. Now that the pasta is done, we're going to take it straight from the water and put it right into the sauce. Make sure to add a little bit of the pasta water as well. And now we're going to cook the pasta in the sauce until it's completely absorbed all the sauce. It's about 3 to 5 minutes. Now all that's left to do is just a plate, and you can add some garnish like fresh parsley or some chili flakes or Parmesan. And if you like this video, please make sure to check out the rest of our videos here at Apartment Cookery, and have a great day.